Forward, we want to confirm that the strike doctors had called that was very unnecessary. It only needed us to sit on one table and talk has been indefinitely called.
Hearing officers is the strike we had called is not there, because once the government is engaging you, we cannot continue with the strike. So
we proceed further. I want to declare that our strike is now called off officially because of the tremendous progress we have made with regards to the welfare issues touching on our members. From my understanding is that the doctors, quite a number, are going to be promoted. I understand the process has not been completed. Some need to go through a different stage of interviews, which I know I've seen the CEO for the board around. I know the advert is going to be out.
These are doctors promotions. Kana mnipe makaratasi ambayo yana okay. Ya hawa ni madaktari. Ziko nyingi. Huyo lazima she's due. Radiographers mko hapa? Medical lab nani malaria yako iko hapa, sio yako peke yako, ya watu wako. I hope kwamba huko hapo. Public health record officers, hata record officer mlikuwa mna no. Kwanza hao usipowapea promotion ndio wanapiga kelele sana, madaktari hawajui kupiga kelele. I want to appreciate the board for good work, and DG, thank you for making sure that this one has come to pass. Good people.
The doctors, quite a number, are going to be promoted. I understand the process has not been completed. Some need to go through a different stage of interviews, which I know I've seen the CEO for the board around. I know the advert is going to be out. And the 30% remaining, I know there's a roadmap. We really pray that before we, or rather as we close the next financial year, the 30% are covered. Your Excellency, I want to thank your administration so much. All the officers, the ministers, the chief officers, I've seen the majority around. They have really been approachable and available, even on phone calls. That's to do with any consultative thing or follow-up as regards to my members' welfare. Finally, I want to express my special thanks to the DG. I know before he ascended as the DG, used to be the Chair County Public Service Board.
All the leadership in the Department of Health, your support has not gone unnoticed. We thank you very much. Kisii County stands as a beacon of hope in the Nyanza region. As we represent Nyanza region, once I want to say that Kisii County has shown the whole of Nyanza that you can actually balance welfare issues and service delivery. As we speak, Kisii County Referral Hospital is an example of modern healthcare service delivery in this region. And working at JOTRH, I have to say that we are a bit jealous. If you want more gynecologists, I think I will apply. I think I will apply. As we move forward, we want to confirm that the strike doctors had called that was very unnecessary. It only needed us to sit on one table and talk has been indefinitely called off. And this gesture is a hope that in future we will not have industrial disharmony just because Oliver Twist asked for an extra piece of bread and the housemaster felt like this piece of bread, why don't we keep it or give it to the cat, or so to speak. So thank you very much, Honorable Governor. Madaktari, siturudi kazi, tuchape kazi tukingoja mazuri kutoka kwa governor.
So our state as hearing officers is the strike we had called is not there. Because once the government is engaging you, we cannot continue with the strike. So the strike comes as a result, as the end result when we are fighting. But by the end of the day, we went for a strike for 100 days or from March. We never got anything. So thank you, Your Excellency, for guiding